students, so now I'm going to start question number 3 of exercise 6.4. Now question number 3 says find the square root of the following decimal number. So here we have 2.56. Okay, now so we will have to find the square root of this. So again we will be following the same process. So at first we will have to make a pair. So here we have one pair and here we have one pair. So that means under 2 what should we take? So here we will have to take the square number. So 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, and which is greater, 4 is greater than 2, so we cannot take this. So we'll take 1 1s are 1. Okay, now 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this point will be shifted here and this 5 and 6 will come down, so it will become 156. Okay, now we will have to take double of 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now what should we take here? And the same numbers we will have to take over there. So here either, see here at ones place we have 6, that means 6 6 are 36, or we can take 4 4s are 16. So only in these two cases we get 6 at ones place, right? So at first we will take 4 here, beside 2 will take 4 here, so 4 should be multiplied. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, so we have got 96. So 96 we cannot take, so we'll take 6 here. Now 26 multiplied by 6, so 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15. So if we take 6 here, here also we will have to take 6 and then we will get 156. Okay, so the square root of 2.56 will be 1.6. Okay, now in the next number we have 7.29. Again we will make a pair of it. So here we will have one pair and here we will have one pair. So we will have to put bar here. Now what should we take here? 2 2s are 4 and then we have 3 3s are 6. So 2 2s are 4, then we have 3 3s are 9. So 9 we cannot take, so we'll take 2 2s are 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now this point will be shifted here, then 2 and 9 will come down. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. Now what should we take here? Here last digit is 9. So either it will be 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49, right? So only in these two cases we get 9 at ones place. So let us check by taking 7. So 47 multiplied by 7, 7 7s are 49, 9 4 carry, 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 4 is 32. So it will be 7 and the same number we will have to take here. So it will be 329. So the square root of 7.29 will be 2.7. Okay. Now in the third part we have 51.84. So we'll at first we'll put a bar here. Then we will have to take the square number. So 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So and 8 8s are 64. 64 is greater than 51. So we'll take 7 7s are 49. So 9 to 11 is 2. Okay, so this point will be shifted here. Now this 8 and 4 will come down, so it will become 284. Now we'll extend it. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Now which digit should we take here? Here last digit is 4. So either we will take 2 2s are 4 or we can take 8 8s are 64, right? So 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64. So either you will take 2 or you will take 8. So at first we are taking 2 here. So 142 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So here will be 2. So the same number we will have to put there. So we will get 284. So the square root of 51.84 will be 7.2. Okay. Now in the fourth part we have 42.25. So again at first we will put a bar here. Now below 42 which number is there? 7 7s are 49. We cannot take 7 7s are 49. We will take 6 6 are 36. So 6 6 are 36. Now 6 to 12 is 6. Now this point will be shifted here. Now this 2 and 5 will come down, so it will become 625. So the double here we will have to write 6 plus 6 is 12. Now what should we put here? Now last digit is 5. So that means we will have to take 5 here, because 5 5s are 25. So if you take 5 here, then 125 will be multiplied by 5, because we will have to take the digit here. So if you take 5 here, then it will become 125, and that number should be multiplied by 125. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6. So here will be 5 and here also will be 5. So we'll get 625. Okay. So the square root of 42.25 is 6.5. Okay. Now in the last part we have 31.36. So at first we will put a bar here. Now 7 7s are 41, 7 7s are 49. We cannot take 6 6 are 36. Also we cannot take under 31. So 5 5s are 25. So we'll take 25 here. So here 5 5s are 25. Now 5 to 11 is 6. Now this point will be shifted here. Now 3 and 6 will come down. So it will become 636. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now what should we put here? Here last digit is 16. Last digit is 6 here. So either it will be 6 into 6 or it will be 4 into 4, 16, right? So either it will be 4 or it will be 6. So let us put 6 here in place of beside 10. So here we have got 106. Then if you take 6 here, that same number you will have to multiply here. So 6 6 are 36, 6 3 carry, 3 will come down, 6 1s are 6. So if you put 6 here, then only we will get 636. So the square root of 31.36 will be 5.6. Okay. So this way we will have to find the square root of the decimal numbers. Okay. Thank you, students.